Hello and welcome to another update video about Chiliz. Chiliz could have now completed its move down here. In the last video I told you that I would like to see one more low, possibly down to 12.5 cents. Now that hasn't happened yet. It's not entirely clear if this is still in this correction down, yeah, but the move down is pretty much full. Which means this yellow wave pattern, the 5-wave move down here, doesn't need to go any lower. I mean, even in this 5th wave, we can now look at 5 waves. So we've got here a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, it could also be, it could be, and that is where, you know, sort of the unknown comes in, the uncertainty in these markets. It could be that this is only a 1, 2, 3, A, B, C in wave 4, and we come down once more in wave 5. That would be ideal, to be honest, to come down once more, because it would hit the 12.5 cent level, which is the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level. And also, since the low here, we haven't really seen anything substantial yet to the upside. However, this could be a small 5-wave move, to be honest. Yeah, we won't really know that until we break a bit higher, and a move above 15.5 cents would really confirm that a low has been made here. I think the very first signal that you can get that a substantial low has been made here in wave 5 of wave C, of wave Y, of wave 2, is that if we break above this descending trend line, we've got 3 touch points. You can see how the price, actually 4 touch points, you can see how the price reacts nicely to this trend line, and a break above that would, in my opinion, be the first suggestion or indication for an onset and the beginning of this 3rd wave to the upside. Target for the 3rd wave, talked about that yesterday, around 45, 46 cents if we start from here. However, it's sort of turning in the middle of nowhere. It would be ideal to go down to 12.5 cents and then turn around there, have a solid fib level support and reversal at the fib level, but it doesn't need to do that. Yeah, sometimes markets turn around without making that last low, especially if generally, for example, a little bit of bullish sentiment comes in, or if we, for example, are very much oversold. And I mean, it has now recovered a bit, but Chiliz was here on the 4-hour chart. If I open those indicators down here, and Chiliz was quite a lot oversold yesterday, day before yesterday, on the 12th. So really low on the 4-hour RSI. And I told you in a video on that day that we should expect a recovery shortly, which is happening now, but not very strong yet. So I'm inclined to say we might get one more low, but if we get above the trend line, yeah, it would already be an indication that the low is in. We're moving higher in a 3rd wave, and what you need to know is that this move down is pretty much full. Yeah, from an Elliott Wave point of view, we've got 5 waves down in white, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the 5th wave, we've got 5 waves down as well. Yes, one more leg down could be happening, but this is really in the micro counts. I mean, on the micro level, really, you also have 1, 2, 3 possibilities. It is what it is, right? But as long as we're holding overall above 10.5 cents, that's fine. But ideally, we don't want to drop below 12.5 cents. And that's pretty much what I can tell you about Chiliz. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.